Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Nothing Phone 1. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi and then enter YouTube app. Tap this button at the top of the screen and select your TV. Now, when devices are connected, enter any music you would like to play. To disconnect devices, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.